Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the app and given it permission. Now start by finding your primary storage and any mounted SD card or cloud account so you can work where the file's live. Once located, create a new folder named for this task to avoid mixing files. Make sure to switch to list view for faster scanning and tap the top search bar to confirm the file names you'll manage next. Now organize. Long press one file to enter select mode, then choose multiple items to copy, move, or delete in bulk. This saves time. Use search with filters and sort by date or size to narrow results, and apply compression or rename batches when you need smaller archives or consistent file names. Once done, verify file locations by opening a sample. If a cloud sync is enabled, make sure changes are synced before continuing, so you don't lose edits when switching devices. To finish, move your organized folder to a cloud backup or external drive so you have a copy, then unmount any SD card safely. Once backed up, clear the File Manager cache and empty the recycle bin to reclaim space and keep performance smooth. If a move or delete fails, check the app's storage permissions and file locks, then restart the app. If that doesn't help, reboot the device and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.